Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all well. I am your 6th standard social science teacher. In this class, we have to learn 6th standard social science bridge course class. I hope you all have this book. Students, if you not have this book, please go to your school and bring this book. In this book, there are 10 kinds of topics are given. Now we are going to see one by one. In first day topic is on introduction to social science. In second day topic is historical evidence. The third day topic is the evolution of man. The fourth day topic is the Tamil Nadu and its special places. In fifth day topic is India introduction. In sixth day topic is our earth and the solar system. In seventh day topic is the importance of land, water and air. In eighth day topic is what is the Indian citizen. In ninth day topic is the role of agriculture in our day-to-day life. And finally, 10th day topic is the uses of maps. So you students should take good care of these lessons. Children, you all up to 5th standard, you have to study CVS. But now here you going to study social science. In day 1 classes, we going to discuss about introduction to social science. This social science can be divided into 4 parts. There are history, geography, civics and economics. So now let's start about history. Children, what happens if you touch the flame? It will get burns, isn't it? Will you again touch the fire? No. Why? Because you have already experienced the burning sensation. It is called as memory. Memories as a human to survive. At the same, history as a memories for our society. Students, what is definition of the history? It is nothing but the systematic present of past events, and it is studied carefully and systematically on the basis of available materials and record. It is called as history. All of these records were chronologically arranged by a historian. Who is historian? Historian is a person who studies and writes about the past events. Students, do you know who is the father of historian? Look here, he is father of historian. His name is Herodotus. Then what is geography? It is study about earth and its people like continent, seas, river, mountains also. Then what is civics? Civics is study of human rights and their responsibilities. It is all about government. Then finally, what is economics? The economics is the study of how humans make decisions in the face of scarcity. Why we learn this social science, students? Because we can learn earth's structure, can feel tradition and culture, can raising patriotism. We can learn about world awareness, can be social in nature, knowing the growth of agriculture and industry. At the same time, very important, it helps to develop good qualities in the students. Students, all of this above in an introduction to social science. Students, evolution on given page number 39 and 40. Fill it and send to our WhatsApp group. We will meet in day 2 class. Thank you.